Aesthetic design in the anterior sector is essential to achieving a harmonious smile, and in orthodontics, function and aesthetics must work together. Orthodontic treatment in the anterior region must consider not only alignment and occlusion, but also the functional relationship between the upper and lower teeth. It is key that the aesthetics of the anterior teeth align with function, ensuring that mandibular movements do not cause wear or instability. The contour of the teeth must be in harmony with the functional guidance of the mandible. If the posterior teeth are not protected by anterior guidance, they can suffer excessive wear and mobility. Therefore, it is essential that the relationship between anterior and posterior teeth be designed correctly to avoid interferences and ensure long-term stability. The contour of the anterior teeth must be well defined, ensuring that the incisal edges are positioned correctly to facilitate contact in centric relation. In addition, restorations must be functional without compromising aesthetics. Smile design must also be coordinated with the shape and contour of the teeth, respecting both white aesthetics, teeth, and pink aesthetics, gums.